Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for products that offers drop shipping on AliExpress. So let's say I want to go ahead and search for example, a watch, right? I can go ahead and I can type in watch or men watch, for example. Once I search, it's going to show me a lot of options. And then if I want to see the ones that are offering drop shipping, then after you search, you want to swipe across and you will find option drop shipping. So tap on that and it's going to filter all of those customers with this product that offers drop shipping for you. And as you can see, these are the ones that offer drop shipping, right? And you can even open up those products and you will see even more details. So you will be able to scroll down. They will mention stuff about their products and all those good stuff here. You have reviews and so forth. So you want to go ahead and ensure that you find all the necessary information related to this product for you, right? And this is how you can actually know if the product is good. You can check the reviews and all those things, but each product right here actually offers drop shipping because they mentioned that, and you can also find it on their page. Now if you're looking for it and you're not finding drop shipping information, you can easily go ahead and read, for example, a product description to see if they mention something about drop shipping. But what you can guarantee is that most of these products really in AliExpress, once you filter them as drop shipping, they will most likely be available for you to do drop shipping, right? So you can go ahead and fill in details for your customer who you want to send that product to. Also, you can even contact the seller as well. Super easy to do that as well. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.